All right, I was up at Ed's and he had this satellite dish, a couple of washers. Said, you might as well take that stuff down to your place. And so I was going to put this in, and then this snapped right off. But I'm told my buddy Scrap It All, I was just talking to him, and I'm told that some of these are really nice gold flash boards. So let's get this thing apart and see if this is one of them. All right, got these things off. Get in here and see what's happening. Looks like some cast, possibly there. That's cast. All right, so we got a pile of plastic, some cast here, a couple of leaves. Looks like maybe some cocoons or something. And I guess I gotta get into the seal here and peel that off. Well, I don't know. I guess those are some sort of a, I don't know what that is. Sockets, I guess, or I don't know how you. I guess I'll try some vice grips and we'll see, but I don't know. A couple of good components there, I guess. Maybe more on the other side. Yeah, they come out with the trying to look through the screen to do this. I just took the little vice grips, but I can't get into these corners. They're like a kind of like a reverse hex, sort of like those Motorola dish things. Not the dishes, but like the set-top box. They have something like that. But anyways, I'll figure something out here. Yeah, I can't tell if that's gold flashing. It looks silver to me, but there's sometimes you look at it a certain way and it glints, but I don't know. I don't think these are the greatest boards, but maybe. I just don't think so. I'll just keep them for depopulating later. So this tube had that plastic in there. I had to bust it to get it out. And I gotta get those out somehow. As of right now, this is just dirty cast, but I will get that stuff out. Those have to come out. They're possibly brass. I haven't checked yet. Yep, they're brass. So I'll get those out, clean that up. I'll do this one just because I've already got this far. So we got a little bit of shred, bunch of plastic, some cast, and a couple of weird boards. I don't know. Let me know if you think that's gold flash, but I don't think it is. I think with gold, you shouldn't have to get it to a certain point where the light's hitting it right to make it look like gold, but I could be wrong. Those two little things there might be gold plated, whatever they are. Well, there, I got it cleaned up. Oh, probably not worth the effort, but yeah, it was still fun seeing what's in there. That's got to be gold. I'm rich. Aluminum. This one. I got the wire loom out of there, but yeah. Now I'll have to. I thought this was like a direct drive because it's a front load, but it's one of those ones with the motor on the bottom, so I'll get that flipped over. But first I'm going to cut that wire out of there. Oh, this one's proving a bit harder to get off there. The motor's in here. I used to just go in through the bottom, but this one you can't, so I'll keep working on it. I don't even know what brand it is yet. I'll have to flip it the other way. Yep, this thing's been in the woods. I got that bit of cast off there. There's a nice brick. But yeah, I'll have to get in here and see what that is. Yeah, I'll just see. I don't know if you can see. Get some light on here. Well, this one's copper, so I'll be getting that out of there. There's the rest of the wiring. Pull that out. I think I'll leave the leaves in there because, you know, that's just added weight. That's, yeah, pop that off. Some cast there too. Some copper. I'll flip this thing back and see what brand it is, so just so we know for next time. So this one's a GE top load, and it's aluminum. This one is a Frigidaire. Oh, Frigidaire front load. There's the model, and it's copper. So that's good.